Hello friends and neighbors, Marty here at the Diamond H. Welcome back. Today we're going to put casters on my welding table. It came with adjustable legs, and I keep this welding table inside my workshop until I need to weld on it outside. And it's kind of cumbersome to move around in here when I'm not using it, so I decided to buy some casters with studs on them to replace the legs that have studs on them on the bottom of this table, so it'll be easy to roll around, especially to the door to take it outside when I do my welding projects. So I'm going to reposition this, take the accessories off the top of this welding table and flip it upside down so it'll be easier to work with, and I got to re-drill some holes a little bit larger, and I'll explain all that in just a minute. Be right back. Okay, so yesterday I stopped by Harbor Freight and I picked up some studded casters. These are 1/2 inch studs, fine thread. I picked up, it took me forever to figure out what these were because the tester I had to stop by Atwood's on the way home, and their tester threads were all jacked up. So it took me forever to figure out. I thought they was going to be millimeter metric, and they weren't. They're actually 1/2 inch by 20 threads per inch, 1/2 inch diameter, fine thread. Anyway, I picked up 4 lock washers, and the only 1/2 inch by 20 fine thread nuts I could find are grade 8. So we've putting some super fragilistic, super duper hard quality grade 8 nuts on this welding table casters. Isn't that awesome? Got a 1/2 inch drill bit. Let me get the table all situated here, and we'll get to it. Okay, so we're about to take these factory adjustable legs bottoms off so we can drill out the holes for the new casters. Okay, so I ended up having to grind these welded on nuts that were on the bottom. The nuts were a little harder than I thought they were, and they was a little bit harder to drill. So I took the table outside and took a cut-off wheel on my grinder and just shaved them off. Took longer to get the table out and back in than it did to get the nuts off of here with the grinder. Anyway, got it back inside, got that end on, worked great. All I got is these last two here. Caster goes on, lock nut. This 19 millimeter nut that's built onto this caster is really thin, so I just took some adjustable pliers and a long extension in the 19 millimeter socket. It's long-winded. Get another bite here. Almost had it all the way to everything fell apart. Anyway, got one more to go and I'll be finished with this little project. Took longer than I thought, like everything else. That's how you put casters on the bottom of a Harbor Freight welding table. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe it helped somebody that was thinking about doing this. I can tell you that it would be a lot easier if you could find some casters with the same diameter and thread pattern that these nuts are that comes from the factory, and I really couldn't tell you what they are right now because I just cut them off. Not sure what they are. It'd be a lot easier if you could find a stud just like this one, but with built on a caster. But anyway, this project's almost finished, and thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.